Causes of earthquakes. Earthquakes are violent movements of the Earth's crust. These movements are the result of a release of pressure that builds up at plate boundaries. Earthquakes occur mainly along plate boundaries. Earthquakes occur when the pressure or friction between plates is released in a sudden movement of the two plates. The release of this energy causes shock waves, called seismic waves, to move through the crust. As a result, the Earth's crust shakes or vibrates. The more friction there is, the more intense the earthquake. The point under the ground where the pressure is released is called the focus. The point on the surface, directly above the focus, is called the epicenter. The earthquake is strongest at the epicenter. Secondary shock waves travel from the epicenter along the surface of the Earth. To understand, think of what happens when you bend a plastic ruler. If you bend it too much, the stress on the ruler is too great and it snaps. The snapping of the ruler sends vibrations that you can feel in your hands. This can be compared to the shock waves that move through the crust. Earthquakes can occur when two plates grind past one another. We call this type of plate boundary a shear or transverse boundary. At the boundary, the plates may be moving in opposite directions, or at different speeds in the same direction. The San Andreas Fault, which runs through California, is an example of a shear plate boundary. The fault lies between the North American plate and the Pacific plate. Both plates are moving in a northwest direction, but the North American plate is moving more slowly. Hundreds of earthquakes occur every year along the fault. Violent earthquakes also occur when plates are moving towards one another. We call this type of boundary a convergent boundary. At such a boundary, there is an intense buildup of pressure between the two plates, and large earthquakes occur when this pressure is released. Earthquakes also occur where two plates are moving apart. These are called divergent plate boundaries. Earthquakes are less severe and there is not a lot of friction between the plates.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel or dive into our expert textbooks and get that learning edge.